Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make a full lace closure wig. And right here I'm just showing you the closure and the bundles I'm going to be using. Just showing you guys. Here it's from AmHairCollection, Natural Wave. Go check out the website. All information will be below. So this is the bleach I'm using. It's by Wella. And I'm using the Clairol developer in the volume 40. And I'm just making a very thick consistency so that the bleach doesn't seep through the lace because you don't want to over bleach your knots. So once I have the consistency I like, I'm going to go ahead and start bleaching. Alright, so I'm just spraying the closure down here to get the baby hairs out of the way and all the hair out of the way so I don't get any bleach on it. And then in the video it's going really fast, so it could appear that I am maybe getting the bleach inside, but I'm not. I'm just tapping it really lightly onto the closure, but it's also like hard enough that it's gonna go in, but not too deep in. But you kind of get what I'm saying. You don't want to push it through, and the fact that it's thick, it's not gonna affect it at all. Alright, so I'm going to get some aluminum foil so I can wrap the closure up so it can process. And I think I waited for about 25 minutes. And I just kept checking it periodically to see the process. So now that I have shampooed my closure, I'm going to pin it down. So real quick, I did go ahead and shampoo the closure with a neutralizing shampoo to stop the processing. And then I shampooed it with the purple shampoo as well to get the brassiness out. So I pinned the closure down, and now I'm just going around and sewing it. And I'm sewing it really close together because you don't want to have any gaps in between. As you can see, I'm sewing it really close together. And this video is really fast because it's a bunch of tutorials out here, but this is my way. And then I didn't want this video to be too long, but I did want you guys to see how I do it. And I really wanted to just show off the hair because that's what this video is really about. So this is the hair. Got the closure all sewed down. So I just put some T-pins in the back and on the sides to hold it down. And I do start off by sewing through the weft first and securing it to the cap. And I'm using a dome cap that I showed in the beginning. You just want to make sure you sew from right to left, and I do flip my wefts over. So if you ever need a wig remade, you don't have to worry about any tracks being out of place. Everything will still be left together. Like I think I used every last bit of this hair, if I'm not mistaken, for this wig for this client. So yeah, I'm just sewing it around the front first, flipping it back, and just going around and around and around like a U shape. I don't go all the way to the closure. I did leave some space in between because I'm going to sew one track around. And I also use a T-pin to hold the weft in place so that it's not moving. I don't have to hold it, and this makes it easier. As you can see, that little space is left right there. I'm going to sew a track right there so it can just lay on top of that those tracks, so it's no gaps or anything, and it'll just blend right in with the closure. All right, and we are almost at the top. All right, so we are done. And as you've seen in that clip there, if you didn't, you can rewind it back and rewatch it. Pause it. I did sew 2 tracks on each side. Now I'm just sewing the back, not sewing it onto the closure, but sewing it as close to the closure as I can. And we are done, guys. So this is the finished product of the wig. It is a full lace closure wig, 3 bundles, 12, 14, 16, and a 14-inch closure of natural wave hair. I do have a video coming up next that shows how I styled the wig. I didn't really style it though. I just actually did the closure part of it, flattened the closure, and I'll show you guys how I did that as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was informational and you learned something. Sorry it was so fast, but like I said, I didn't want the video to be super long. If you want me to make another video showing a slowed down version of this video, please leave your comments below. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts with me. And thank you guys so much for watching.